Well, it's better, dude. Go on in.
Okay, now don't touch anything, okay?
Go in there first. That's the museum-ish part.
Well, our store is greatly
Hi.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Get out of here. Are these other people's things?
All the same, Mr. Ed's. Okay, who wants to lift the lid?
It's my lifelong dream.
Wait, let's
To have an elephant. To have an elephant museum.
Just so. Let me see, lift it. Lift it up.
This is amazing. I've never seen anything like that. Dude, that is awesome. This is like my chest thing. Only much bigger.